Oppo is set to make waves in the smartphone market with its upcoming F27 Pro 5G, featuring an impressive 240-megapixel main camera and a host of premium features. This highly anticipated device combines cutting-edge photography capabilities with powerful performance specifications, positioning itself as a compelling option in the premium mid-range segment. The Oppo F27 Pro 5G showcases a large 6.83-inch punch-hole display that promises an immersive viewing experience. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2620 pixels, users can expect exceptional visual clarity and responsiveness. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor, ensuring robust performance for demanding applications and multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the F27 Pro 5G's sophisticated camera setup. The device features a remarkable 240-megapixel main camera, accompanied by a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 32-megapixel depth sensor. This triple camera system enables versatile photography options, from wide-angle landscapes to detailed portraits. The front of the device houses a high-resolution 50-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring stunning self-portraits. The camera system supports HD video recording and offers 10 times zoom capability for detailed distant shots. The F27 Pro 5G comes equipped with a substantial 6,700 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage times between charges. More impressively, it supports 100-watt fast-charging technology, capable of fully charging the device in approximately 40 minutes. This combination of large battery capacity and rapid charging capabilities ensures that users can stay connected throughout their day with minimal interruption. Oppo offers 3 distinct configurations to cater to different user needs: 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, and a premium variant featuring 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. These generous configurations ensure ample space for apps, high-resolution photos, and media content. While official pricing details are yet to be announced, the Oppo F27 Pro 5G is expected to launch between February and March 2025. The device's combination of premium features, including the high-resolution camera system, powerful processor, and fast-charging capabilities, suggests it will be positioned as a competitive option in the mid to high-end smartphone segment. The Oppo F27 Pro 5G represents a significant step forward in mobile technology, particularly in smartphone photography and battery technology. The combination of the powerful 240-megapixel camera system, substantial battery capacity, and rapid charging capabilities positions it as an attractive option for users seeking a feature-rich smartphone experience. While we await official confirmation of specifications and pricing, the anticipated features suggest that the F27 Pro 5G could be one of Oppo's most significant releases in 2025. As with any pre-release information, specifications and features mentioned are subject to change upon official announcement. Potential buyers should wait for the official launch and reviews before making their purchase decisions.